Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we are building our homestead from the roots up, and today we are going to be planting cactus seeds. My cousin, when she was little, used to call them cat guys. It was really funny. So these are just mixed cactus seeds. So we don't really know what exactly they're gonna grow, but before we actually start planting, I want to show I already have planted these in my Groot head pots, and as you can see, they are germinating and they're little baby cactus. This one's got two, and so the mold, there is mold on it. It is fine. It is okay for there to be mold on it. But now they're finally germinated, so I can take the plastic wrap off of them. You have to, when you first plant them, for them to germinate, you have to stick plastic wrap over the top to keep the moisture in. And so I stuck those on top and put rubber bands around them. And I finally got to take them off. And I actually have, other than cactus, there is a dragon fruit plant, which is actually sort of a cactus slash tree type thing. It's gonna have to move into a bigger pot, but it has not germinated yet, but I'll show you. It takes like a week longer to germinate than the regular cacti, but it is also very moist. So hope that starts growing soon. I'm very excited about having that. My dream for the homestead is to have all of the fruit trees and bushes and things. So I finally got to start that. So maybe in a week or so, we'll have baby dragon fruit plants. So the dragon fruit is actually a tropical plant, and it grows best further down south than we are. So we're going to have to keep it inside most of the time, because while it's hot enough in the summer, in the other seasons it's not always hot enough to keep the plant alive. So I have it in my bedroom for most of the time. But when it gets bigger, we're going to probably have to find somewhere else to put it, because they can actually get really big. Okay, let me see exactly. It is, I think it's like 5 feet tall. No, not. Heights of 4 to 5 feet tall. Okay, I thought it was shorter than that, but like they get. So that's like as tall as me. That's kind of crazy. I didn't realize 5 feet tall. So anyway, we have a whole bunch of cactus seeds. You will need pots, seeds, cactus soil, plastic wrap, and rubber bands. The thing with the cactus soil, it's different than regular soil. Cactuses actually need it instead, because they typically grow in more desert-like areas with more sandy, gravelly soil that does not do as well in soaking in and holding moisture. It will, like, the moisture will evaporate away out of it easier, and they have more delicate roots, so they have a hard time growing roots through richer soil. So this is special so that cacti can grow in it. So I have a whole bunch of these. I don't know how many I'm gonna do. I'm trying to get most of them. Let's see. So next we have to get the soil a little wet. We don't, like, some things you have to completely just drench and have them drowning in water. These, you get them moist but not super wet. So next we have to do the actual planting. I would plant a couple of these, like 2 or 3 in each one, just because you can have like there'll be more chances for all of them to grow, and if you have too many, you can just pull some out of. Be careful not to lose these, because these seeds are so tiny. So next, after you actually put the seeds in there, you cover them in plastic wrap to keep the moisture in while they're germinating. You can take it off after they're done germinating, but while they're going, you cover them up. Because these probably won't need that much. You can cover them up. Then you use a rubber band. It will help seal the moisture in better. Probably my hair. You get hair on everything. Come on there. These are stubborn rubber bands. They're very stubborn. Again, this is going to be really fun because we have no idea what these are going to end up looking like. They could be some of those little round ones, or they could be like have a bunch of little parts. We'll see. I like surprises. Our ferocious guard dog is keeping watch. So some of them do, like I did this with my dragon fruit plant. Depending on, you might need more than just one little sheet of plastic wrap. I had to layer a couple of sheets because this was too wide, just fit one over. It depends on the size and shape of the whatever you're putting it in. And that is it. So next, it will depend on what kind it is. These will take 2 to 4 weeks, I guess, to germinate. So you have to wait a couple weeks, but once they start germinating, you will be able to see this little sprout come up. And then you can take the plastic wrap off, and you'll have to water them every once in a while. They don't need that much water. Thank you for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you